hoje, tá bom? A ideia é só responder o mais rápido possível. Vamos lá. Do you like to be a man? Do you like to be a man? Do you like to be a woman? Are you happy? Will you be happy when you learn English? Where were you last night? Essa aqui eu não fiz porque eu não ensinei o were, né? Sim, ensinei, mas passei bem por alto. O were é passado de be. Então, onde você estava? Where were you last night? I was... Tipo, eu estava em casa. I was at home. I was at home. And you, where were you last night? Do you want to be my friend? Are you free tonight? Are you free tonight? Free, disponível. Are you free tonight? Will Brazil be a rich country? Tenta responder o mais rápido possível, tá? Where were you in the morning? Where were you in the morning? Okay. Are you a good friend? Are you a good friend? Okay. Do you have a car? Do you have a car? Are you having fun now during this English class? Are you having fun now watching me, listening to my voice, answering the questions? Are you having fun? Will you have more grandchildren? More nesse caso, talvez tenha gente aí assistindo que não tem nenhum neto ainda, né? Então, vai ter, né? Agora só tem vocês dois, mas no futuro vai ter mais gente assistindo. Então, will you have a grandchildren this year? Vai ter um neto esse ano. Will you have a grandchildren this year? Did you have a bike? Did you have a bicycle when you were a kid? Did you have a bicycle when you were a child? Did you have a good childhood? Childhood, para quem não souber, é infância. Did you have a good childhood? What do you like to do in the morning? What do you like to do in the morning? Are you doing English exercises? Are you like homework? For example, this is homework, okay? Watch this video and answer the questions as fast as possible, okay? This is homework. Are you doing English homework? Let's say, yes, I am. I am doing English homework now, right? Will you do the dishes tonight? Will you do the dishes tonight? Did you do physical activities? Did you do physical activities last week? Not yesterday, last week. Did you do physical activities last week? Ok, só 5 minutinhos aí já tá bom. É isso aí, pessoal. Deixa o like aí, vocês dois já que já estão vendo. Embaixo ali do vídeo tem um joinha, assim, clica lá no joinha. É isso, valeu pessoal, um abraço, que Deus abençoe todo mundo e vamos falar inglês.